Welcome to our channel. Today we how to build a smart home with Control4 full guide step by step clearly. Start by familiarizing yourself with the Control4 system and its capabilities. Visit the Control4 website to explore the different products available. Determine the specific needs and requirements for your smart home. Make a list of the areas in your home you want to automate. Consider including lighting, security, heating, and entertainment systems. Choose a Control4 controller that suits your home size and needs. Select compatible devices such as smart lights, thermostats, and security cameras. Purchase the necessary hardware from an authorized Control4 dealer. Begin by setting up the Control4 controller. Connect the controller to your home network via Ethernet. Download the Control4 app on your smartphone or tablet for remote access. Once the app is installed, create an account and log in. Now, start adding devices in the app. Follow the prompts to discover and connect to your new devices. Label each device for easy management in the app. Set up automated scenes based on your daily routines. Create good morning and good night scenes for lighting and temperature. Customize settings for entertainment systems for different scenarios. Establish notifications for security features like cameras and alarms. Test each automated feature to ensure everything works smoothly. Make adjustments in the app as needed for optimal performance. Consider integrating voice control through smart assistants like Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant. Familiarize yourself with the different programming options available. Explore the Control4 Composer Pro software for advanced configurations. Regularly update your system to maintain security and functionality. Share your configuration with family members for easy access and control. Enjoy the convenience and security of your new smart home setup. Continue to expand your system as new technology becomes available. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.